Since you're watching my video, we're friends now and you can't back out, sorry. I'll teach you how to make an easy and adorable bird, since your scary personality won't attract a real bird. Hey, it's not your fault, but just because I say this, you shouldn't believe me. You have to follow my steps. Trust me, that's how you'll succeed. Don't try to be extra smart and make your own decisions cause you know where your own life decisions take you, haha. No, but really just follow me. Yes, focus here, cause if you don't, you'll mess up, just like everything else. You must be thinking I chatter a lot. And I do. What can you do about it? Close my video, huh? Yeah, you can absolutely do that. But please don't, cause hey, I'm teaching you something that no one else will, so yes, we're besties. But only I do the roasting, cause if you do that I'll cry. Is that called being toxic? I don't know. I don't even wanna know. Keep your opinions to yourself, huh? It's called protecting your peace, which you don't know how to do, bestie. But don't worry, I'm here. I'll teach you. Not only I'll teach you how to make cute stuff, but also how to protect yourself. But not from me, cause I am the bestie. By the end of the video you might think, I need therapy, but so do you, and I ain't judging. That's exactly why we're besties now. Don't worry, it's a safe space. I got you. No one has to know that you're crazy. Although it's pretty obvious, bestie, so learn something useful. Anyways, you can drop your suggestions on what you would like to watch me make. However, these are the only suggestions I'm accepting. Rest, you can keep to yourself unless they're nice, of course. This part is a little difficult. Not as difficult as your life. So make sure you pay attention and do it properly. You can send me the pictures of your origami on my Instagram, which is down below in the description. So I can appreciate your work. Don't be afraid. I'll make sure to appreciate you, no matter how hideous it may be. 'Cause I believe in you, bestie, you can do this. Should I shish now? Or do you still like me? You've no choice but to like me, bestie. Don't forget to like and subscribe, bestie. 'Cause I'm really doing my best, so cheer me up. Yes, that's your job. You can't run away from me. We're almost midways. So don't give up now, bestie. You're doing great. Once you're done making it, you feel so much better. Yes, I'm putting things in your head. 'Cause nothing can make you feel better, haha. Just kidding, don't be mad. Or be mad, who cares? Even your parents don't care when you're mad, bro. And you expect me to care. Haha, of course you can, bestie, don't worry. But you can only get this premium feature of mine when you subscribe to the channel. What did you think? That I'll give it to you for free? No, bestie. Nothing is free in this world, you know. You take care of me, and I'll take care of you. Call it selfish, but yes, deal with it. Now I'm tired of speaking. So enjoy the rest of the video by listening to the music. Did you miss me? Don't worry, I'm back here. I ain't gonna leave you alone. After all, I ain't your ex. Did that hurt? I guess not. That's why you keep running back to your ex. Okay, listen here, bestie. I'm gonna tell you a secret, which you probably didn't know before. If someone ever told you that you remind them of butterflies, here's why. Butterflies are attracted to poop. Just like you're attracted to all the shitty people in your life. Yes, that's true, believe it. Okay, I'll give you one more random fact as we're heading to the end of the video. Did you know if you close your eyes, you can see your future? Guess why is that? I'm not saying you're lazy, but I've seen sloths with more energy. Okay, bestie, I hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you for bearing with my chatter. I'll see you guys in next video. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, Emu. I love you.